Welcome everyone. In this quick tutorial, we are going to see how we can protect our content from copying either by right click and copy or by Control C. So I will go to the plugins, add new and search for WP content copy and install this plugin and activate this. Now I will go back to the page and refresh the page. Now, whenever someone tries to copy either by right click or Control C, they will see this alert of content is protected. You can also change the alert message by going to the dashboard, copy protection, and here you can add your own message. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.